Going on, peoples, it's Ken Jackson here. I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean your K&N cold air intake, right? This should work on the regular filters as well, because I saw another package. I got this from AutoZone, but I saw another package that had just a regular cleaner, like just a spray without all the extra stuff. But this is the cleaner and the oil. This was like $21.99, and it comes with the instructions, the cleaner, and the oil. So quick instructions are: apply the cleaner, rinse and let it dry. It's almost 100 degrees outside, so that should be like what, 2-3 minutes. And then put the oil on the oil filter, put it back on, you're good to go. Another good thing to do would be to just look through the filter, make sure there's nothing like sticking out, you know, like stuff that can be plucked out real quick to let you clean it better. But just like when you put degreaser on stuff or whatever, like if you clean in multi-purpose spray, you clean in the house, you want to let it sit. That's what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to let it sit for about a good 3 to 4 minutes, and rinse it out with some water, and then let it sit again. So you spray it down. I'm gonna just spray the whole thing, to be honest with you. This stuff is strong too. Look at my hands, just from touching it. This thing has been on my car for about, I want to say, 3 to 4 years. Been to Arizona, been to other parts of Texas, been through Louisiana. It's been through a bunch of places, so, and it's never been clean. Used to be really red, not anymore. Do one more coat, because mine is like extra dirty. I'm gonna come back to this in about 3 minutes to dry it out. Well, not dry it out. We're gonna wash it out and then let it dry. Instructions said let it sit on there for 10 minutes. Use cold water to wash it off, and flip it on the other side. Wait till the water is clear. See stuff coming out of it. Once you're done with this, you spray. Once you're done with this, you spray the oil on here. Let it sit for about 20 minutes. And make sure it's completely red. Make sure you're getting everything. And after that, it should be good. Should be good to put it back on there. Be cleaning this for a little bit. If it still feels or looks dirty, you can always apply the cleaner again. Look at this. My hands, man. You can always apply the cleaner again. And yeah. Repeat the process, you know, until it's done. Until you get it right. But there's a lot of dirt coming off of it. So now that that's done drying, we're going to take the filter oil. Just going to give it that red color. We're going to spray it down until you see nothing but red. None of this black or brown stuff that you see. We're going to let it sit for 20 minutes. Make sure it's completely red. We're going to do it all over again if it's not. If it is completely red, after the 20 minutes, it's obviously dried off and you can reinstall the filter. That nice little red right there. Yeah. Just a little red. Don't breathe this stuff in. Try not to breathe it in. Don't get too close to it. I understand you're probably gonna do it in the garage or something. Be careful with that, because it is a strong smell. I'm gonna finish doing this, making sure I get every part. I'm gonna reinstall it, and we're gonna see if the car is driving properly. Once that's done, everything is dried up. You got everything. Double check your work. Make sure everything is nice and snug. You see the filter is nice, sparkly red. We're gonna go for a drive. Oh, it's so hot. Try that again. Started right up. That was like the first click, like the first little starter click, whatever you want to call it. All right. Yeah, I know. We gonna get some gas, girl. Don't you worry. So, let's see. The idle was good. Drive it real quick, make sure everything's okay. Oh, it's so hot. It's so hot. I was about to hit that curve. I was like, this car can do a good enough turning radius to where it won't hit the curb. And I had to second guess. I'm like, nah. It is so hot, man. But that's about it for this video, man. Just double check your work, make sure everything's working properly, and you should be good. Thank you guys for tuning in. Catch you around.